Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my child. What am I doing? I'm gonna be showing you how I do my how I apply my glueless units. I was in between on whether or not I wanted to do like a little straight unit today situation. If I want to do my curly hair, and maybe give a straight unit today. First of all, let me take this off. Okay, so I still got it in the bun, so let me brush it out. Love this wig, or just glueless wigs in general, but specifically something about this ISeeHair unit. Their brand, their company, it fits so nice and snug. I literally, like, it fits my head real nice. The other one I have is a little bit bulkier and bigger in the back. Back here, child, back there. So I be wanting my lace to look like it's melting into my skin. When you start with this, baby, you don't have to do much. Let's like be honest with you. Another part I just love is like this, baby. I could put this is all the way up underneath here. Y'all see that? I believe this is a 9x6 or a 9x7 in terms of like the lace. So it stops like right here. Like, baby, this is all lace. Love that. But before I go any further, let me blend out this just a little bit more. Like right in this area. And I typically use the residue of my foundation to blend in like my cap. Like, do not cake this on.
Y'all see that? Immaculate. There we go. And they already do such a good job of making it like blend already, so. Ciao.
It looks like this is just seamless. And that's exactly where I like to be. So, with that, I'm gonna go in, make sure I have a position where I want it to be positioned by. I'm doing a lot of talking. I'm gonna go on my lace glue and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the back of my like rectail comb. And I'm doing this right in the areas where I feel like my lace could lift up typically. I literally just like lift it up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like from the side, I like lift up a little piece of the lace. And then I just like apply my glue. And I do not do a lot. You know how they be like, oh, you need to apply a layer of this. For this, I plan on wearing this for like a day, maybe two. And this is just so that this can like, the perimeter of the lace can just like lay down. So none of it is like sticking up. Already it's like gone. And if y'all see, this is not on my edges. Somebody asked me like, oh, how do you protect your edges and stuff? Honestly, I don't lay lace on my edges.
And with this hairline, I wanted to pull it just a little bit more forward. You know, the perks of wearing wigs.
So when applying your glue, because this unit in particular is an HD lace wig, the lace on this wig is very thin. So with that, I only apply one layer and I just make sure that I get it very thin. To the point where it turns clear, and then afterwards that's when I lay the lace down. If you do too many layers, because the lace is so thin, it can seep through and you don't want that. Okay, so now it's time to pull out the hot comb, child. So with this, I'm really just making sure that I get the very front of the wig like pressed out. Also, be very careful with this HD lace because it's very thin and very fine. So you don't want to burn yourself because Lord knows this forehead been burnt up a couple pieces of times. And I don't want that for y'all. Also, if you guys see right here, I did not rest the hot comb on my head or even like lay it on the wig too much. I got it really close, but not close to the point where it could burn me. So just be very careful. And if you see right here by like the edges or right towards where the wig's about to stop, I was just making sure that I got it flat to where that last track was gonna lay down. I'm gonna spray a little bit on the back of my hand right here. I'm just going right up against here. And right where I feel like it can lift a little bit is really where I want that extra security. Also, if it's looking like a little shiny or a little white, you know, this can help to blend that in. Unless you have like the lace melt spray, then that works really well too.
Actually, I'm gonna lay it down just so we get a little bit more, melting capabilities or whatever. I'm gonna go in just a little bit more of that. Extra security. Pull my hair to the back for a little bit. And I'm gonna switch right here. Child.
Damn. I'm gonna try that again. In this bitch. There we go. Ooh, baby. Hot as hell.
Yeah, towards the end, I like to grab that whole piece, bring it all together. She gorgeous.
I haven't even had this thing going, I think, for like 5 minutes. Maybe. But it was already laid before I took it off. And it's definitely laid now. And you want to just keep going through. Even if you feel like a little snag, you want to just go through like a pillow. You don't want it to feel nothing. Because the last thing you want to do is be fighting with a snag and a wig that you did not make. Even if you did make it. Baby, that means that you're trying to get through that snag. And when I say snag, I mean the thread of the wig. You don't want to fight that battle, baby. You don't. Some of y'all might. I mean, I know how to sew and everything, but I don't want to have to put a a piece of needle on nothing that I bought to be made already. Shoot. And with that, so I see just a little bit of some up over here. I wanna just make sure it's good. So I'm going in with a small insy bincy piece. Like, y'all probably can't even see that. It ain't much at all. But I'ma use that and I'ma just, cause there's something about the edges of the hair where you look to the side and whatnot. Like, you could be looking right here, but if I pull over to the side, it's looking a little light. I didn't sign up for that. I didn't sign up for that at all. There we go. Unclockable. Okay, I hope that y'all enjoyed this. My goal is to do more tutorials, but also to just start connecting with my people and to just start showcasing some of the things that I do on a day-to-day, because it's rare that I go to see anybody to like get anything done. If I can do it myself, you can do it yourself. So if I can give you some tools to help you and keep some money in your pocket so that you look like you walked out the shop every time, I'ma do it. Do you see that, baby? And there's so much party space, baby. Like, let me not. I just hold up, where we at? I just got here. I just fixed this. Okay. But yes. And I think, okay, there we go. I'm in frame now. But yes, let me know if y'all want to see how I apply it with my hairspray or my lace adhesive next time with this, because I only use so much of this. Like, this works great too. So, alright, do y'all see this? Do you actually see that? Like, step into the light. Do you might see that a little bit. You might see that. You might see a little bit of that. But seriously, like, look at this light. There we go. This is what it's looking like. And it's like, there ain't no filter on that. Like, let me know if y'all appreciate this. Like it, share, subscribe, all those things that you do on, you know, like social media and whatnot. I hope y'all enjoyed this.